My name is Paul Hammond. I'm the pipeline engineer for A.Hak. This pipeline's needed as the original one has become slightly endangered, but over the years the tide has washed away the cover and it started to pop up. So once we have this new pipeline fully installed, we will decommission the old one in the riverbed and divert the flow into this new pipeline.
It takes about a day and a half to then push that 600-metre long string into the tunnel, and then we spend half a day welding the next string on and counting that weld, ready to push again. So basically, to insert the pipe we are using specialist pipeline equipment, two pipe thrusters, one in the stringing field behind you, which is a 500-ton machine, and the one at the front, which is putting it into the tunnel, is a 750-ton machine. It extends, travels along the pipe, it re-grips the pipe, and then it pulls the pipe directly into the tunnel.
Keep going well, we should be finished in about 8 to 10 months. Yes, so everything you see here will be either buried or completely removed and it will be back to farmable land again. Proud to be part of the A.Hak team, which has undertaken the world's longest pipe insertion. It's been a challenge, but it's been a great experience.